Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to get started with using C++ in native Android development. Now first of all, I want to make it clear that I am not expert in C++. I have just started learning it and this will be an extremely basic video. This won't be anything huge. And the second thing is, I have already created a project for this and I will be copying a lot of code because I am a beginner in this and I am also learning with you. The reason I'm making this video is that I have seen a lot of tutorials on C++ and mostly they are related to language, the C++ language. They won't tell you how to use it with Android, how to use it with iOS, how to use it with desktop. I think that is what matters the most, instead of learning each and every feature of the language. So yeah, that's my goal. Let's see how this playlist goes. I'm really interested in learning C++, even though I know a lot of people are saying that learn Rust, but I think C++, there is still a large part of the the development ecosystem which is developed in C++, and I think it will be continue to do so for the next quite few years. Rust is not going to completely deprecate C++ or C language, because there are a lot of stuff which still relies on C++, and it will be the same for the coming future years as well. So here you can see that I have created a basic Android project, and here I have one Android project where I have got C++ running. So what first we have to do is go to your app, and here first create a new file. So I will create a file called hello.cpp. Next you will have to create a file called cmakelist.txt. I'm not really sure what this file does. I think it is used for packaging. I could be completely wrong, but you can do your own research. I have gone to the project view now, because otherwise you won't be able to see your C++ file. Next I will create a new file. So new file, cmakelist.txt. okay, now what I'll do is I'll just copy everything from this CMake list, because this I think more or less will remain the same. So the only thing which is, you will have to change the project name here. So my project name is Android Hello World 2. okay, and I think the library name is native lib. So this is our hello.cpp file, and I think this is like boilerplate code which you have to write. I'm not really sure, again sorry about that, because even I'm learning C++. So here inside hello.cpp, what I will do is I will just include these two imports for now. Okay, next what we have to do is, you will have to go to build.gradle and we have to copy paste this. So here it assumes that we are starting from the app directory, that's why we just have to write this name. And also the syntax is little different if you are using Groovy Gradle and not Kotlin Gradle. So I'm using Kotlin Gradle. I will again go back to Android, go to build.gradle.kts, and what I'll do is, inside compile SDK I'll just add this. I'll click sync now. Okay, now how to use this. So first what you will have to do, you will have to, I think there is an easy way which and Android Studio help us with lot of the C++ stuff. So what I'll do is, I will first call this. So what it does is, it will help us to load the library of C++. So if you remember, we have given this native-lib name inside CMake list, so we are using the same name over here. So it just helps us to load the library. So Kotlin code is aware, okay, there is something called C++ library inside our code. Now I want to just write a function, say hello, and it will return a string. So what I'll do is, I'll just copy paste this. Okay, now here you can change the function name to anything. The return type can be anything. If you want to return void as well, if you can do that. Now the advantage of this is, what I'll do, I'll just click over here, click on the red bulb, and it says create a GNI function for say hello. So I'll create that, and here you can see it has automatically created all the boilerplate code for me. I don't have to worry about all this writing all this stuff. Like this is like very difficult to remember as a beginner. Now here you can see like now I just want to return some string. I'm not sure if you can write something like this or not, like just return hello. Okay, you can't write directly like this. Like I think there are different flavors of C++. So if you are writing like just working on learning C++, I think you might get away with this, but I think in Android's context it doesn't work like that directly. I think for this kind of things you can make use of ChatGPT, because it might have, because even I have used ChatGPT for that. So here all I'm doing is, okay, why it is giving it, okay, even the return is not so straightforward. We have to use something like this. So convert the C++ string to a Java string and return it. So I think ChatGPT is really helpful, because if before ChatGPT getting started with C++ on Android was very intimidating, and I have never really touched it because there were no proper tutorials for it. So here all I'm doing is that I'm defining a character hello string, and I'm just returning the string over here. Now I can just call this method as well. So I can just write toast dot make text this comma say hello toast dot length underscore long dot show. Okay, so I have kept it extremely simple, and now I'll just run this. So if I show you the output as well, yeah, so the application is still building. Okay, it has successfully built, and here you can see hello from C++ has been displayed as a toast message. So yeah, that's it. Like I'm planning to work on iOS, Flutter and React Native as well, like how to integrate C++, and maybe in the future I'll try to do more complex stuff. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.